Good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. I am here today on Pine Grove with this incredible 4-bedroom semi-detached property located just next to the highly regarded Monton Green Primary School. The property offers 2 reception rooms, a fantastic extended fitted kitchen dining space with bifolding doors leading out onto the rear garden. Got this stunning bay fronted lounge, fitted cabinetry, lovely generous size, with the entrance hall then leading on through to the second reception room. But then it takes you in to this incredible kitchen dining space. We've got a fabulous central island, got your electric hob, plenty of wall and base units, integrated appliances, floating extractor, flooded with natural light through the bifolding doors and the Velux windows. A fantastic family home. This incredible heart of the home, lovely kitchen. Access then into the cellar where the boiler is homed. It's 2 years old. We've also got plumbing in place, the washing machine down there and power, and it's suitable for storage. Now the property is laid across 4 floors. Now we head into the smallest of the double rooms. This one here overlooking the rear garden. So you've got a lawn with raised planter beds. This gorgeous family bathroom, clawfoot freestanding bathtub. All very much in keeping with the age of the property. Obviously, because of our location, you are literally just a short walk into Monton Village, where you'll find bars, shops, restaurants, eateries. You've got lovely scenic walks down the Swinton Greenway, Worsley Loop line. And you can also get onto the Bridgewater Canal. So now in the master, complete with an ensuite. Again, that bay does continue from the ground floor, fitted wardrobes, a lovely sized double shower, and then as we head up once more to your final double bedroom, done to regulations, time, the last of the 4 rooms. As you can see, an incredible family home. So if you're interested in coming along and taking a viewing, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.